So if you've got a new iPhone Air and you want to download and install your favorite apps, games, or even browser, let's open up App Store. If you've opened it for the first time, just tap Continue, select whether you want a personalized ad or not, and this is your App Store dashboard. Your Apple ID will be auto-signed into the App Store. You can also use different Apple ID in here if you want. Before you start exploring and downloading, make sure you're connected to internet, Wi-Fi, or mobile data for that matter. Now, as you can see, you will get different tabs like games, apps, arcade. You can also go ahead and check them out individually and take a look at all these recommended apps. If there is something that you need to install, just hit the Get button and then hit Install. Now you'll be prompted to put your iCloud password. Whatever account is signed into App Store, just put it down and hit Confirm. And that app will start installing to your Air. If you get out of here and go to your home screen and swipe, now you will see the installation progress along with the app icon. Now, apart from this, you can also tap on the search icon and you can manually search for literally any apps or games in here. Now, if you've got Face ID enabled, second time when you're here to install apps, you will be prompted to double press on the side button and then just put your Face ID to confirm the installation, which is, by the way, easier and faster than the password option. By this process, you can download multiple apps on your Air. If you go to your profile, to Apps section, you'll see all the installed apps list. And under the Not on this iPhone tab, you will see all those apps. Those are installed to the same Apple ID from your other Apple devices. What you can do is just install any of them quickly in this list instead of searching manually. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.